Why creating a bespoke scented car diffuser? I always believe that your car is a bit an expansion of your personality, a mini home bubble where you feel secure and you love to have your music, and I love to have a scent that smells really qualitative, and I always fail to find something nice, not harsh, not chemical. So I decided with Maison to empower everybody to have the possibility to create your own haute couture scent for your car. You go to the shop menu and you see in Bespoke Home Scent, you have Bespoke Car Diffuser. You're going to select and you arrive on a beautiful landing page where we're going to ask you to be involved in the choice of your scent, because for the first ever time you can create your own scent for your car with very luxury raw material. So of course you're going to receive a beautiful box and you have the device made in aluminium, and we're going to ask you to choose your two scents. So you're going to open the scent page. You can organize as usually by family, by mood, by top, heart, bottom note. So here I'm going to select the mood, and I love to be chill in my car, so I'm going to select the tea. Here you can check all the evolution of the scent, the characteristics, the strength, the lasting. So you see it's not too strong. I can compare to orange blossom, for instance. Here I even have a little movie to explain you what exactly is the ingredient. So I think I'm going to go for the orange blossom for my first scent. And then you can choose a second scent. So here you have some recommendation of Maison that pair well with orange blossom. And if you're not satisfied, you can go back on the full selection. You have 35 scents. And I think I'm going to go with something woody, with cedar wood. It's a beautiful, chic, grounded scent. So I'm going to apply cedar wood. And now you have your selection of two scents. You can check the characteristic of the combo scent. It's going to be citrus, woody, vibrant, floral. It's exactly what I'm looking for. You check the description of the product, what you're going to receive, your diffuser, the cotton pad, and the two pure oil you're going to infuse in your car diffuser. And then if you scroll down, so you have all the picture of the product. You can see here what you're going to receive, and if you scroll down you have the movie that explains how to do your car diffuser. And then here you have some bespoke car diffuser recommendation of oil you can buy. So if you want to be elegant and have a luxurious car smell, we recommend to mix cashmere wood and bergamot. If you want something to relax you, sandalwood and lavender is a very nice mix. So forth, so on. So you can select directly this ready-made product where you don't need to choose the scent. Maison take care of everything. So here you have sandalwood and legend, lavender to feel calm in your car. And finally, you have all the frequently asked questions at the bottom of the page. The returning condition, how we are a clean and sustainable brand, very important, how to use your Bespoke Car Diffuser and what you get in your kit. Very easy. You have done the whole journey. You can add to your cart, and within 3 days you will receive your Bespoke Car Diffuser. So you're going to receive a beautiful box at home that you're going to open. Inside you have your sleek aluminium diffuser that you're going to put on your ventilation, super ecological. Then you have 5 cotton pads. You're going to infuse your essence on it for the diffusion of your bespoke scent.